Okay, let's try this graphing question here. It's got the graph of tangent. It says it's x plus p degrees. Well, here's the tangent waves that we might remember from grade 10. And it normally goes through 0. The tangent of 0 is 0, but it goes through 45. So that means it's shifted 45 degrees to the right. So what do we do to shift something horizontally 45? We make p negative 45, the opposite in the brackets. Write down the period for g. Well, they say that g of x is the sine of 2x, and the period is 360 divided by 2. That's 180 degrees. That's how you figure out period, is you take 360 for sine and you divide by the number in front of x. So the graph of g is shifted 45 degrees to the left to form the graph of h. So what if we took this graph of g and we moved it 45 degrees, not to the right like tangent went, but 45 degrees to the left? Well, that's what you do, is you add 45 degrees, but you got to remember to do it in the brackets. Do it in the brackets. So you go 2 times x plus 45 degrees. Well, you multiply this out, it's really 2x plus 90 degrees. But if you change sine 90 degrees, you have to know that it turns into cosine. And that's the answer. So it's h of x equals the cosine of 2x. Now use the graph to determine the values of x in the intervals from 135, minus 135 to 0, where f of x is less than negative 1, where the tangent graph gets less than negative 1. Well, it looks like it's just in between here. That's the only place this is getting negative, over on the left side, and that's the answer. Between 0 and 45 degrees, but not equal to 45 degrees. The next question's a little tricky. When you see sine x cos x, if I put a 2 in front of here, I'm going to turn it in to 2 sine x cos x, which is the sine of 2x. And I just subtracted 2 from both sides to make it 0. Now, where is the sine of 2x less than 0? Where is it negative in this region? Well, I can see between 0 and minus 90 degrees. And that's your answer. So there you go.